Hello. Union Budget 2021 has introduced a new tax regime which will run parallel to the old tax regime. Individuals have an option of choosing between the new and old tax regimes for their tax computation for financial year 2021. To help our customers make an informed choice between the two regimes, HDFC Life has developed a user-friendly income tax calculator which provides estimated taxable income and tax liability of an individual under both regimes on real-time basis. Before we move to the calculator, please note that in all applicable fields, provide annually calculated amounts only without putting any comma, dot or space. Also avoid putting any details in the fields not applicable to you. So let's understand how to use this calculator. The tax calculator is named Income Tax Calculator and is available under the Tools and Calculators tab of HDFC Life's website www.hdfclife.com. To begin, please enter your date of birth in the first tab, Personal Information, and click on Proceed. In the second tab, Annual Income Details, salaried individuals need to provide details of basic salary and house rent allowance in the separate fields provided for these. All other allowances as per salary package need to be summed up under the field Other Allowances. Self-employed individuals need to provide details of profits from business or profession, that is income net of expenses claimed. Also income from other sources such as interest on savings bank account, FD, post office, dividends, etc., if any, need to be entered in the respective fields. Note that income from capital gains is not considered for calculation as capital gains are taxed at special rates. Hence, it will not impact your decision between the old and new regimes. Please ensure that you use the correct fields for the applicable income and click on Proceed. The third tab is Income from House Property. Here select the correct tab as applicable, self-occupied or rented, and in Metro City or not. Also provide details such as rent paid for availing HRA exemption and interest on housing loan if applicable. In case of rented property, please mention the rental income in the appropriate field and click on Proceed. The fourth tab is about 80C deductions. Here individuals need to provide investment details pertaining to Section 80C of income tax into the specific fields. Please note that contribution to Provident Fund is auto-calculated at 12% of annual basic salary entered by you in the income details. Please click on Proceed for the next tab. In the fifth tab, 80D deductions, please provide the health insurance premium amount paid by you for family members in the respective field. Please note that the deductions is available only up to specified limits for this section as per income tax laws. You may refer to the table given at the end of the tab for the limits applicable as per section 80D. Click on Proceed. The sixth tab is about other deductions wherein individuals need to provide details of their National Pension Scheme contributions in the applicable sections. The calculator will automatically calculate deductions under section 80TTA or 80TTB for interest on savings bank account, fixed deposits and post office savings account as applicable to you. Please note that commonly used deductions under Chapter 6A have been considered and other deductions such as Section 80DD, Section 80U, Section 80E, Section 80G, etc. are not considered as these deductions will increase the tax benefit available in the old regime. Now, click on Calculate Results tab for the summary. In the final summary tab, you can view the total income, total investment, total taxable income, under old and new regime and taxed payable under the old and new regime. Also, please take note of certain important points relating to the calculator which are displayed as notes under the table showing your tax calculations. You can click on Plan Your Tax Saving Now to navigate and look out for various products offered by HDFC Life and protect yourself and your family members. You can reach out to our customer helpline or online chat module for any assistance you may require. Thank you for watching and wish you hassle-free tax computation for financial year 2021.